Hi, I'm TK Devine.
Good to see you.
And this is Devine Diaries, Travelographer edition. Random and unplanned episodes where my intentional lifestyle brings me to odd corners of the globe and brings you along for the ride. Join me for life hack tips and to learn what things to do and not to do as we explore the world's lesser-known attractions. I am TK Devine, and this is Devine Diaries, Travelographer edition.
But I can't take it with me.
Canyonlands National Park. If you want to cut your arm off in a canyon because it got stuck in a rock, this is the place to do it. Aaron Ralston's who I'm talking about. He wrote Between a Rock and a Hard Place, which was turned into the movie 127 Hours. This is where it took place. And we're moving up the list. This is 32 of 59 national parks visited. I admit, I'm not doing much in here today. I'm just gonna kind of check it out. I'm gonna come here again in the future to actually do fun stuff. But I'm here and I wanna see it, and I got a couple hours. This landscape was carved by the Colorado and Green River, creating all these awesome canyons, mesas, and buttes. I mean, look at this stuff, it's gorgeous. Author Edward Abbey, one of my favorites, who I described in Arches, called this land the most weird, wonderful, and magical place on earth. You'd have to be a real idiot not to think this is beautiful. And you're no idiot, so I know what you're thinking. It's not always easy to escape the lingering list of to-dos and obligations and challenges, but this park doesn't allow for that. It magically transforms. It's like being a kid again. Totally rigged those shots to make it look like a quick climb. This park is definitely made for adventure, and I'm definitely coming back. I think a long trip to Moab, back to Canyonlands and Arches, preferably with someone who can lead a rappel down some sick slot canyon. That's in the cards. Some of these little crevasses go down forever. Notice here, you see the bottom. You can see how someone would kind of lose an arm. No, I'm not doing that. All right, 20 bucks. So carefree.
Oh, look at crevasse. What could go?
Pocket knife? Pocket knife. Oh, I'm good. Never mind. No need to panic. Canyoneering is not a joke. Never offer your friend, loved one, or person you actually hate $20 to get their hand stuck in between a rock and a hard place. It's a bad move, and you don't want to be that person. You don't want to be an idiot. Now that scene was shot right here in the Canyonlands, in this little crevasse. Nice little slot here. All of it was using reenactment. None of that was real. Actually, it was real when I pulled out my arm, because it wasn't actually stuck. That was real. So kind of documentary, docu. It's a new format I'm working on. Yeah. So yes, I'm well into my 30s. It's Monday, which is a work day, and I'm making stupid Instagram videos. So take my lectures of intentional living with a grain of salt. Time to say goodbye to Canyonlands and Utah and the rest of this trip. I gotta go home, bring my ailing truck to the mechanic, and worry about adult things. Thanks for watching.